Traveling to Canada is about to get easier for fully vaccinated travelers. Canada is opting for a cost-effective pre-departure test for travelers and drops testing requirements for Canadians returning from short trips outside the country. In this video, we talk about the changes in travel requirements when visiting Canada at the end of the month. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by Antigen. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. Canada is about to relax its entry restrictions for fully vaccinated international travelers as the COVID cases decline. Government ministers announced during a Tuesday briefing that, from the 28th of February, travelers headed to Canada will have the option of providing a negative antigen test taken within 24 hours of their Canada-bound flight. This would replace the current requirement for a negative PCR test taken within 72 hours of departure, although this will also remain an option for travelers. In order to be accepted, rapid tests will need to have been administered by a laboratory, healthcare entity, or telehealth service. The new antigen testing is far more cost-effective for travelers. A booster shot is also not required to enter the country. The new policy changes will also put an end to testing requirements for fully vaccinated Canadians making brief trips outside of the country. Some travelers will still be randomly selected for compulsory PCR testing at the airport, but won't need to quarantine while awaiting the results. Also, unvaccinated children under the age of 12 who have traveled outside the country with fully vaccinated adults will no longer need to be kept out of daycares and schools for 14 days following their return home. Health Minister Jean-Yves Duclos today told reporters, "These changes are possible not only because we have passed the peak of Omicron, but because Canadians across the country have listened to the science and to experts." Canada is also lowering its global travel advisory, which previously recommended that Canadians avoid all non-essential travel abroad, but is now merely recommending that citizens take appropriate precautions. Multiple provinces such as Alberta, Ontario, Saskatchewan, and Quebec are also relaxing social restrictions as hospitalization numbers fall and epidemiological conditions improve. Ontario said it's accelerating a plan to lift vaccination pass requirements and capacity limits placed on many businesses. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.